What's up, guys? It's Champ coming at you with I always say coming at you, like coming at you. But anyway, I'm coming today to do like a quick 10-minute makeup look. And when I'm in a rush, this is exactly what I do. I don't even fill in my brows, honey. It gets real serious sometimes. So stay tuned and I will show you how to get a 10-minute beat looking face. Right now, I'm just trying to prime. My primer is like, I don't want to say nasty things on my channel, but it's coming out like really suspect. So I'm just priming. I use the Farsali Unicorn Essence and the Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Primer. So we're just gonna go ahead and rub that in. I'm wasting time by fluffing my hair. But my next step is going to be foundation and concealer. And I do that all at the same time to cut down on time. So today I'll be using my Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation in the color Rich Honey. Literally only swiping on what I need. That's it. And then I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop concealer in Deep Dark 50 and hit under these eyes, my chin, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and my nose. That's literally it. I'm just gonna go in with my Dark 48, same product, right in here. And the quickest way to blend this stuff in is with a Beauty Blender sponge. I already dampened it and I'm just gonna go ham. And of course with a Beauty Blender sponge, you don't want to rub, you just wanna pat vigorously. I think the term beat your face was coined by using sponges because you really have no choice but to like be aggressive with a sponge. So as you can see, I'm going around and blending in my foundation first. And once that's all blended in, I will go back in and blend all of the concealer that I put on my face. So I like to leave the eyes for last because the longer you let your concealer stay, the more coverage it will have. Get my mustache. I shaved my mustache this morning, so I don't need much up there. Okay. Under the eye. Mind you, I'm watching the clock right now as I'm recording to make sure that my application is 10 minutes or under. So I want to stay true to the title. I'm not working with a mirror right now, so I'm just trying to make sure that everything is blended without me like having to leave and make sure with the mirror. So that is it. So next I'm going to go ahead and set. Ooh, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna go ahead and set with my CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder in the color 120 Translucent Honey. I love this stuff because it has like sparkles in it. So I'm kind of killing two birds with one stone. So I'm setting and I'm also kind of highlighting. So I'm just going in with that same sponge and setting where I put concealer. And I'm not really being too neat with this because it is a translucent powder. I'm literally just dumping it right onto my sponge. So if you see like dusties everywhere, that's why. So I'm gonna pay some special extra attention to under my eyes because I do crease under there because I don't get any sleep. And the other side. Yes. And you know what? Why the hell not? I'm just gonna go ahead and contour with the same sponge. I'm gonna use my Pure Cosmetics Sculptor palette that I got from BoxyCharm. And I'm gonna use the darkest shade in here. It's kind of washed out. I'm gonna use the darkest shade in here. I'm gonna dip my sponge right on in there. Go on the hollows of my cheeks. And get that jawline and that double chin. I don't really need to do around my hairline much because I'm a hairy beast and my baby hairs really come down. So I'm gonna do my nose just a tiny bit. And I'm also gonna go in with my Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio in Dark Rich. It is so pretty. I'm gonna use this orange color. Oh, I got makeup all over my shirt. I'm gonna use this orange color right here. Same sponge. Just gonna tap it in there. And put it in the hollows of my cheek. Over to my apples. Somebody called me while I was recording. Anyway, back to the cheek. Y'all, I just got a glimpse in the mirror because this palette has a mirror on it. And it's looking like so flawless. These sponges are like a godsend. Seriously. I'm gonna actually go in with the same sponge and highlight. I'm gonna use my Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan in Sparkling Sass 127. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna take the cleaner end of the sponge, just dip it on in there. I'm a genius. I mean, it looks a little harsh right now, but no worries. I'm gonna go back in and blend. I'm just gonna go back in and make sure I blend that out so it doesn't look too harsh, like I just slapped highlighter on my face. Which, you know, that's a look. Okay, subtle glow. Y'all see that? Brows, literally when I'm in a rush, I don't even fill my brows in. I just go in with my NYX Control Freak clear brow gel and swipe those puppies up. Luckily, I plucked my brows not too long ago. That's all I'm doing to my brows. Swear to goodness. So when I'm in a rush, nobody has time to be doing wing liner, so I just literally go in with a black liner. This is by Vintage Cosmetics by Jessica. I don't even want to butcher the last name, but it's a smoky eye pencil in jet black. And I'm just going to smudge that on my lash line, like so. Don't cry on camera. And I'm gonna get underneath. Nobody has time for lashes when you're in the rush. So I'm going in with my Too Faced Cosmetics Better Than Sex mascara. I'm a virgin, so I wouldn't know if this was better than sex. So literally this part will take me the longest because I love my mascara to be obnoxiously clumpy sometimes. So I'll put on like 10 layers. So I'm gonna apply this in the mirror and then come back. So usually when I don't have time to do a lot to my face, I compensate and make sure that I do like a lip that stands out. That doesn't take me a lot of time. So today I'm going to do like a burgundy lip because believe it or not, I'm wearing like burgundy sneakers with this bright yellow shirt. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX lip liner pencil in brown black. I just recently found this and it is perfect because you know, I'm on a chocolatey year side, so I can get away with this dark lip liner. This lip liner is so 90s. Okay. And the lip I will be using today is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Havana Nights. It is a matte lipstick, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. It's one of my favorite burgundies. I've been wearing it a lot in the summer, and I feel like makeup has no rules. It used to be so cliche to wear like bright colors in the summer, dark colors in the winter, blah, blah, blah. But I wear what I want. So I'm going in. Oh, pretty. This lip liner might be a little tiny bit too dark. No, no, no. But the last step is to go ahead and set my face. And I will be setting my face with Model in the Bottle makeup setting spray, matte finish. This is a godsend. I don't know who created this. I don't know, but whoever created this, genius. Genius. Okay, genius. Oh, and a trick that I learned, I don't know whose channel I was watching, but spray up in the air and just let it rain down on me. Lord, won't you take me? Yeah. So. Even though I still kind of sprayed it directly on my face, whatever. I haven't mastered that trick yet. But yes, that is the final look. Edges are slayed. I just gotta poof up the hair. Yes. And this is the final look, kids.
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you want baby, yeah, we should be closer than friends.